What's up, y'all? Troy Banks here with the Party Animals. I want to show you guys a little bit of sneak peeks all season long. I want to show you guys day in the lives, outfits, all that kind of stuff. First off, we're going to do a little bit of sight and sounds from the first bullpens we did as a team. Hope you guys enjoy, and I hope to keep rolling with you guys all season. Much love.
See it.
It's just one of those days. One of those days. Ha!
Yeah.
Get it out of your mouth.
In the train tracks. Tight. Tight. Yeah, you got it.
Oh, really? Against the new guy? Oh, Manches.
He might be ice.
That is really goofy.
Don't even try to swing. You gonna get yourself?
I like it. Strike.
It just looks like his mouth.
80?
Huh?
Split?
Oh, yeah. I don't get how, like...
Thanks for the heads up.
And it goes live. If we ain't swinging.
That last one, a little bit.
I'm going to give you like 4 signs. We're going to speed through it. Slider, curveball, fastball.
Barrel, barrel, barrel.
Here we go. Valiant effort. Muy valiente.
Give me 3 signs. So slider?
Yeah, slider. That's it, dude. Fastball.
3-1.
Fastball. Slider.
Hey,
Okay.
throw your slider from there. Throw your slider from there. From here. Like, you're getting here on your slider.
Let's do one more.
Okay. Want to do slider fast, slider fast?
Slider, fastball, slider.
And then with 2 strikes, curveball. So slider fast, till 2 strikes. Good. So 2-1, he took it. 1-1. Curve. 2s. Again.
2-2. One more.
Nice. Oh boy. There you go. Fastball away. Very good. New one.
There we gotta go.
Ha ha.